It's not spicy. This shit weak. What the? What the fuck? Let me call 911.
Yo.
Hey, it is 911.
Huh?
It is 911.
Yeah.
I just hear a hot gummy beer and it's burning my mouth right now. Can you send somebody over?
All right, boss. I'll be there right now.
I'm sending Eddie. It's I'm Middleton East Side. Just come, please. Come here fast, please. It's burning. Like it's bad. It's bad.
Yes, boss. I'll be there right now.
Okay.